Ryan, Isaac, Tom, Rob, and John. Alright, you guys happy with that? Alright, less than 5. Oh, little jump. I might have to dock you a half a lap, Isaac.
12-5. 14, 15, 16-3.
Trouble in the double.
17-6. 17-4. 16-8. 23-8. 17-6. 17-6. 18-1.
1 and 2 got a little bumping and bang going on there. It's a pretty good race. 3 and 4 got a pretty good race going on.
5 minutes left.
22.5.
5 minutes left. Ryan just takes first place.
18-1. 17-9. 17-6. 20.4.
Shake things up a little bit here.
17-6. 22.4.
Rob took second, then I think he crashed maybe. Then did not. No.
17-0. 16-8. 18-1. 26-7. 18-0. 16.
4 minutes left.
17-7. 17-2.
I think you're supposed to drive the car with your remote, not your body, Tom.
17-8. 16-8.
Alright,
16-6.
Tom's right on Rob's bumper. Isaac's not too far back, so we got a really good battle for second place. Oh, first place has it. Oh man.
Flat.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
17-3.
Right
17-4.
in the same group.
Four.
3 minutes left.
Tom takes the #1 spot. Oh, Isaac's beating and banging it a little bit. Got through clean. Order now is Tom, Ryan, Rob, and Isaac. 3 minutes left almost.
17-0.
Oh, he's on his side. That's going to put Ryan back in the front.
23-8.
Yeah, all 4 of it. Right there.
17-0.
That's Ryan in the front, Tom in the 2.
18-6.
Oh, Rob gets the short end of that one.
18-7.
Here comes Tom with his weak battery that he ran last race. That truck's got to be hurting.
17-1.
2 minutes left.
Oh, the bobble. He's getting, oh, it's close. 1 and 2 are beating and banging. You might want to be a little careful because 3's not too far back.
16-4.
Yeah.
17-5. 17-8. 17-6. 17-0.
Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Tom has a little bobble, lets Ryan back by. Oh, he tries to take the tight corner, didn't quite make it, get it done. Ryan now takes the number 1 spot, Tom in 2. Isaac is just hunting them back here in 3, saying, you guys keep messing up and I'm going to get you.
$18, 16, 6,
1 minute left.
16-4.
He's only 1.9 seconds back from second place.
9-2.
Tom's only 1 second back from first, so 2.9 seconds between 3 and Isaac has some issues there.
18-9. 26-5.
Oh, that's going to tighten up the battle for second now. Ryan gets a little breathing room out of that.
8. 17-2.
Yeah, 2.6.
18-5.
Oh, we're down to 13 seconds, so this might be it. It's
17-0.
Isaac stuffs the pipe.
2. 17-0.
9 times out of 10, it's faster to let the marshal get you. That's the race.
Car 2 is done.
Isaac's
Car
done.
1 is
Ryan's
done.
done.
Car 4 is done.
Tom's done.
Car 5 is done. Car
Tom's
3
done.
is
That's
done.
everybody.